Let's learn how to color code data validation in Google Sheets. We have some tasks that we want colorized, but we don't necessarily want to color the entire row. We just want to color this status. Well, let's create a drop-down menu. Right-click, scroll down to drop-down, and here, in progress, we want to add another item completed, another item not started, and overdue. So we have these four options, but we want to make sure that we are seeing green when completed, in progress maybe yellow, not started maybe still gray, and overdue red, bright red. So there is this colors next to the name of each of these. In progress we can change to yellow, completed we can change to green, not started we can stay gray, overdue let's make it dark red, and we need to make sure that our dropdown is applied to the entire range. We can add A2:A, done, and now we have drop-down menu here, and it is color-coded. If we want to fill the entire cell though, let's go and edit our drop-down. Go to the bottom, go to Advanced Settings, and we can change it to arrow. And now the color is not just in that pill shape, it's the entire cell. We could also say plain text if we don't want that drop-down arrow to show up. Or we can just have the arrow show up so we know, hey, we can select this. Click done, and we have applied it to the entire range of the A column. So if we change, say, completed to, we forgot that we still have more to do, and this not started is in progress, and this overdue is completed. Now it's automatically changing color as we change the options here in the status column. If you're looking to get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before, add automations, add cool formulas, formula combinations, subscribe here on YouTube to Better Sheets right now.